Every year, first-year law students across Canada learn the case of Cowles versus African Lion Safari because it's such a wild case. It also clearly illustrates the law of strict liability in Canada. And we're so proud that the plaintiff in that case was represented by Thomson Rogers.
Jennifer Cowles was an exotic dancer, a hardworking young woman, single mother who was working to raise her children. She had a boyfriend at the time, a man named David Ballack, and they went to African Lion Safari.
And somehow a tiger got into the vehicle and seriously mauled the woman. The case was fascinating because of the facts.
A notorious case is the only way to put it. It hit the headlines across Canada. The tigers attacked the car, they got the windows down, and they pulled Jennifer out of the car by the head, and they very, very badly wounded her. They disfigured her terribly.
Craig fearlessly traipsed to court every day against everyone telling him that he was never going to win. He had a client that really needed him. She was an exotic dancer. She was demeaned through the whole process about how she earned income, about whether or not she was a credible or honest person.
Contrary to what the African Lion Safari was suggesting, our client did not invite the tiger in, and that they were negligent in having a facility that allowed tigers to roam so freely.
The cars were entirely unsupervised, unprotected, and it was completely atypical of the way the most dangerous animals in the world are displayed in other safari parks. Because tigers are dangerous in the wild, they're even more dangerous when they've been semi-domesticated.
You can't house dangerous animals on your land without being responsible if something bad happens to people who come in contact with them. That's called strict liability.
Some people would have said, that's a tough case. You're not going to win, because how does a tiger open the door? We had an injured client, a woman who, needed some compensation to deal with significant injuries that she had suffered. You got to do what you got to do, and we can do it.
I really feel very, very good about having brought, again, some dignity and some justice to Jennifer Cowles.
Craig believed in her, and the judge believed in her. And it had to take a trial sometimes to bring things to justice.